IT problems shouldn't slow your business down. Securafy delivers fast, accountable IT help desk support that keeps your users productive every day. Reduce downtime and recurring tickets with 24/7 monitoring, a 10-minute critical response, and zero trust with plain English reporting. Keep employees productive with remote and on-site help desk support, plus ticket tracking that identifies trends and reduces repeat issues. Critical issues reach the right experts faster through documented escalation, with senior practitioners for quicker downtime recovery. Budget with confidence using all-inclusive flat-rate pricing that includes threat investigation and remediation, without surprise support costs. Trusted by businesses with 80% first-call resolution, 400+ end users supported, and a 99% average CSAT rating. See why clients trust Securafy for responsive IT help desk support, clear communication, and reliable service that keeps work moving. Ready for dependable IT help desk support? Contact Securafy today.